Introducing 𝚑𝚑𝚌𝚑 cough syrup, an Ayurvedic blend of nature's finest healing herbs. Made with tulsi, mulethi, adrak, ashwagandha, and a powerful combination of 38 natural herbs. 𝚑𝚑𝚑 is 100% herbal, alcohol-free, non-sedative, and completely safe for all age groups. It helps relieve cough caused by laryngitis, pharyngitis, smoking, age-related issues, asthma, and even viral infections. No side effects, no addiction, just pure natural relief. 𝚑𝚑𝚑 cough syrup, because your health deserves the healing power of Ayurveda. Available now at your nearest Ayurvedic store.